I'm Sam from Softsource vBridge, and I love tech. Here we take technology very seriously. And our first priority is protecting your data and your devices. And because you don't know who's trying to get at your data, we secure you from device to cloud. So if anything happens to your device, your data is still protected. Our new devices have CPU, NPU, and GPU. Go on, ask me what it means. And Copilot doesn't let your secrets out, so you can share anything. We make tech look easy, so you can focus on getting your job done wherever you are.